Alright guys, welcome back in another video. Today we're going to make orange cyan, blue, orange, I think. Orange, cyan orange. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. It has really a map. I'm gonna try first because I don't have a Alight motion description. Sorry for the watermark because I don't have a subscription. I don't have a description yet. There you go. No issue, no problem. Something effect. Coming up. Not sure it works here. Use RGB. Next, I hope no cuss words in this video. I think they said that they're from freedom speech. Okay, now. Like, I'm gonna put. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if this tutorial very helpful. I think I don't know how to make this effect. I'm not even a professional of it. Do it someday. That's all. See you in the next video, guys. I think that's how you make orange, blue, orange, white, orange, cyan thing and something effect. Rate these effects because I don't know. Vote vote the effects that I made from Alight motion because I don't know why. Well, I don't know what I did. This is me saying goodbye and see you in the next video on my main channel.